Ang usap-usapan ngayon sa social media, parang hindi daw matuloy yung impeachment trial is mag-resign na lang yung ating Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines. Dahil daw para pag nag-resign siya, yung ating Senate will lose jurisdiction over the impeachment complaint and to the Vice President. My opinion to that is hindi. No? Kung mag-resign man si VP Sara, the Senate will not take it as an abandonment of uh, the cause against the Vice President, particularly the impeachment complaint. Kasi may tinatawag na jurisdiction ang isang tribunal. For example, in this case, yung Senado, so yung complaint naman is na-receive nila before the VP resigned. Kung sakasakali, they will still continue to hear that and to convene the impeachment court if they want to. Kasi nga, nasa sa kanila na yung bola. And of course, the Constitution mandated them to proceed. So therefore, magkakaroon pa rin ng impeachment trial even though the Vice President shall resign or will resign in her post. Yung mga suggestions dati na dapat na siya mag-resign so that pwede pa siya makatakbo sa 2028. Again, malabo po yan dahil the impeachment court will convene whether VP Sara will resign or not resign. So madaling sabi, sayang lang kung mag-resign siya. And of course, it's an opportunity for her to defend her case sa impeachment court para naman malinis yung kanyang pangalan. Although we say na number game yung Senado with regards to the conviction of an impeachment. So therefore, papatawag pa rin siya ng Senado.